extremely excited. Look at all the people here already.
Take a picture, amazing with your friends.
And the all out, right? Everyone.
I think Jerome Park was super inspirational. I think everybody will be very passionate to share Atomy now.
Excellent. Excellent.
And that really motivates us and encourages us to do more on this Atomy business.
Everything so far is been great.
I'm enjoying it immensely. I love the energy of the crowd. I had so much fun. Thank you.
Atomy exists for our happiness. So if you're working and you feel stressed and you feel overwhelmed,
It's great. Everyone's story is super inspiring, and I learned a lot.
These testimonies as I learned more about the product, and it was mind-blowing.
That the Calgarians, the Atomians here are totally lit up. They're on fire. I cannot believe they have 250 attendees for the very first Success Academy.
This academy was amazing, right? This is the first Success Academy in Calgary. I remember coming here years before where there are a lot fewer individuals, but now look, everybody is just having an amazing time and it's grown exponentially, and I believe that when I come back, right, it's going to be even bigger and better. Woo!
Really fantastic show today. Thank you Atomy Canada for organizing and putting up this wonderful place. I think the design fits perfectly. People believe they have lots of people and everyone left feeling that they have gained something. That's what I feel. So thank you again.
Congratulations! You guys are phenomenal. Keep up the great work, the great, Atomy success, because I know we all can get there. And I'll see you again at the next Success Academy in Calgary. Thank you, thank you.